Hello friends, how are you? Today I'm gonna make a board. The one used to chop meat, vegetables, cold cuts, in short. A board for the kitchen. So I set aside this little board here, and now I'm going to start a project. Life is perfect, and there's no point in us complaining. I just found some marks here from termites, and I remember that this wood was attacked some time ago. I eliminated the termites. I set it on fire. I didn't use any chemical products at the time. I set it on fire, but they left their marks here. So now all I have left is to cut it and see how much I'll have left, and then we'll see what we can do. Let's move on. Since there was that unforeseen event with the termite infestation in this main piece, I ended up choosing to remove a few more rulers. And I'm going to do some machete work on both sides. I'm getting ready here for the gluing. So now we're going to do the work. Let's just glue the cutting board I chose to use. Animal protein glue because it's non-toxical. In the other video, I'm showing you step by step how to use this glue. I'll talk more, because otherwise this one would be too long. I even leave the link there for you about the glue. Well, I'm applying it to both sides. More out of whim than necessity. I'll ensure first-class gluing in this case. And this glue is very thin. It's very thin, right? From our board, I'm going to use tongue oil. Let me show you a closer look. Tongue oil, it could be mineral oil too. But I have this oil in from a friend and I'm going to test it. It's an oil for this type of piece. I'm going to spread a very thin layer. It's very viscous. And I'm going to spread it with paper because I want, well, a really thin layer. In this case here, I'm not. I'm not going to dilute it with what it can be diluted with because it's toxic, which is the case with Araso or thinner. I'm going to apply it normally. Despite all the work, I was satisfied with the result. The board turned out beautiful. It's a good size, a good weight. But now we're going to do a little practical test with it. Let's go. Well, that's it, folks. I hope you liked it and that it inspires you. Until next time, a hug.